All right, guys, we're here with Alex at his little bit over 12 months post multi-unit hair grafting procedure. These pictures here are from before. So we've got the pictures from consultation, and then we've got the picture here from day of procedure. So today we're just going to be unveiling his 12-month result of his multi-unit hair grafting. So, Alex,
hi.
Look at that. Man, you're looking fantastic. So how was the experience? Tell me, what have people been saying about the hair?
I mean, overall, I've gotten pretty positive comments. People have said it looks natural. I mean, obviously, the people I work with saw me after the procedure, so they know I had it done. But other people that haven't seen me in a long time, have made comments about how nice my hair looks, I guess.
How's it made you feel ultimately, like, with having your hair back? I know before it was pretty thin and something that was bothering you not a lot, and I guess, is this something that has changed your normal day to day? I guess, in what ways has this impacted you?
Yeah, it definitely feels good. It was kind of getting to a point where, in some places I think it was, around 80% loss. So yeah, it kind of feels good to be able to wear it short again and get back to having a hairline more like when I was 24. So
that's good. Turn the clock back a little bit. What's the family say?
They say it looks good and it looks natural, and glad I'm happy with it. So
good.
Yeah.
So guys, what we did here, like I said, it was the multi-unit hair grafting procedure, and one of the things that's a huge benefit with what we do is just how natural we can make this look. We are able to get up to 3 times the amount of hair and up to 2 times the density in a single procedure, as you can see here. I mean, just incredible result with how this has turned out with after just one transplant. A lot of times people are concerned about the suture line and what that looks like, and ultimately it's virtually invisible. So with the technology that we use, it's called the Trichophytic Closure. Basically, we bevel just part of the scalp, and then from there, it basically makes this undetectable. You can see just a little bit of a remnants right in through here, but he's got his hair cut fairly short. What guard would you say you have this at, Alex?
It's like a 2 or 3, so it is pretty short.
2 to 3, perfect. So, fantastic follow-up. Super, super happy for you. And you had some people that that have had the procedure done elsewhere as well, right?
Yeah.
And talk to us a little bit about that.
Yeah, I've definitely had some coworkers in the past that have gone to like Turkey and things like that, and I do feel like some of the people that have gone over there kind of more of an unnatural looking hairline that's usually a bit lower, and I think here they've done a great job of kind of keeping it very natural. Nobody's ever suspected of having a transplant, so definitely very natural, and overall pleased with the results.
Good, awesome. Well, really happy for you, Alex, and thanks again for everything, and you look fantastic.
Thank you very much.